Honestly, yesterday was insane. Whenever that thing died, we traveled to this place and it's probably perfect. Honestly, there's nothing really, anything here can possibly hurt us or be annoying.
Well, there is one thing.
What?
You! And I swear to God, if you screw this up, what the? Dig, is that you? Dig, is that? Dig, hello? Hey, yo, what the? What the? What the hell? What the hell am I? Wait, hold on. Hello? Dig? Hello? Blue Dig? What the hell?
That's right. Hi guys, it's me, Bleeding. Hi guys, what the hell?
Hey, can you say your catchphrase but louder?
Okay, whatever you say. Hi guys, it's me, Bleeding. Hi guys, it's me.
No, louder.
Okay, whatever you say. Hi guys, it's me, Bleeding. It's me, Bleeding. It's me, Bleeding.